Most people aren't lazy, they're exhausted. Working 40 hours a week, still broke, still stressed, still stuck. But here's the hard truth. Escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck life isn't just about getting paid more. It's about building differently. So if you're tired of running out of money before the end of the month, this is your step-by-step guide to finally break free. Let's get into it. Step 1, track everything. You spend, yes, everything. You can't fix what you can't see. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll always feel like it's disappearing. Start today. Use an app. Use a notebook. Use your notes app if you have to. Most people find they're leaking hundreds every month on stuff they don't even value. Cut the leaks, build the dam. Step 2, build a gap, earn more, spend less. It's simple math. To stop living paycheck to paycheck, you need a gap between income and expenses. That means either spending less, earning more, or both, which is best. Pick up a weekend hustle. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Flip items online, sell services. Offer your time. You don't need to be a genius. You need a plan and discipline. Step 3, build a no-touch emergency fund. This isn't for flexing, it's not for treating yourself. It's for when life punches you in the face, and it will. Start with $500, then $1,000, then 1 month of bills. This buffer gives you freedom to think clearly, make moves, and breathe. Step 4, automate and stack. Automate savings. Automate bill payments, automate your income if possible, like YouTube, affiliate, digital products. Then stack skills. Stack wins, stack discipline. Every paycheck should do something for your future, not just your present. Step 5, shift your identity. You're not just getting by. You're not bad with money, you're a builder now. You're someone who's choosing to learn, hustle, and grow. And the truth is, no one's coming to save you. But that's good news, because it means you don't have to wait anymore. If this hit home for you, stick around. I drop videos weekly that break the broke cycle. Not fluff, just real tools, mindset shifts, and strategies that work. Subscribe and let's run it up together.